Hi, this is Teacher Francis and let's review classroom commands. Repeat after me. Stand up, stand up. Good. Stand up. Hands up, hands up. Very good. Hands up. Hands down, hands down. Good. Hands down. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Very good. Turn around. Turn around. Very good. Turn around. Stamp your feet. Stamp your feet. Stamp your feet. Stamp your feet. Sit down. Sit down. Very good. Sit down. Now tell me, which command do you see here? What did you see that they are doing? This one is stand up. Stand up. Very good. Which classroom command do you see here? Hands up. Hands up. Good. And in this one, which command do you see here? Hands down. Hands down. Very good. This one, clap your hands. Clap your hands. Very good. Clap your hands. And this one, stamp your feet. Stamp your feet. Very good. This one, sit down. Sit down. And this one, turn around. Turn around. Very good. Now tell me, which one is stand up? Number 1 or number 2? Yes, number 1. This one. Very good. Which one is hands up? Hands up. This one or this one? Which one is hands up? Yes, this one. Very good. Which one is hands down? Hands down. Number 1 or number 2? Which one? This one or this one? Hands down. This one is hands down. Very good. Clap your hands. Which one is clap your hands? Is she clapping her hands? No, she isn't. Is this clap your hands? Yes, very good. Clap your hands. Turn around. Turn around. Number 1 or number 2? Turn around. This one. Very good job. Woohoo! Good job. Bye.